In this video, we'll explore the 5 best LED backpacks for 2025. From unique designs to functional features, these backpacks are perfect for adding a touch of style and tech to your everyday carry. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Sacamain Portable LED Backpack. The Sacamain Portable LED Backpack is the perfect fusion of style, functionality, and innovation. Released with the newest 2024 Bluetooth version, this backpack features a full-color LED display that transforms the bag into a customizable canvas. Whether you are strolling through the city, attending school, or commuting to work, this backpack allows you to showcase your personality with vibrant text, pictures, and animations. With the easy-to-use mobile application, you can quickly upload your content. Simply connect the backpack to a power bank, download the app, and link it through Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can express yourself by adding text, images, or even animated graphics. The app allows you to enter any text you wish, create graffiti-style art, or share personal messages with the world, all with the touch of a button. Uploading your favorite images, GIFs, or animations is incredibly simple. In fact, it's as easy as sending an emoji on a messaging app. You can make your backpack a dynamic, glowing masterpiece in just moments. Beyond its stylish features, this backpack is highly practical. With a spacious capacity of 20 to 35 liters, it can comfortably hold a 15.5-inch laptop, textbooks, or any essential items you need for work or study. It is also waterproof, ensuring your belongings stay safe regardless of the weather, while its durable construction promises longevity for everyday adventures. Number 4. CRELANDER LED Night Waterproof Backpack. The CRELANDER LED Night Waterproof Backpack is not your average bag. Equipped with a programmable 48 by 48 full-color dot matrix LED screen, it allows you to display text, images, GIFs, or even animations, giving you the power to showcase your creativity on the go. Whether you want to display a quirky animation or make a bold statement, the accompanying mobile application allows you to customize your backpack in just a few taps. Simply download the app, connect via Bluetooth, and start personalizing your design in seconds. But this backpack is not just about style, it's designed for practicality as well. With dimensions of 13.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 18.8 inches, it features a spacious main compartment that can easily accommodate laptops, tablets, and books. Additionally, there are multiple small compartments inside to help you organize your essentials, such as keys, wallets, and cosmetics. One of the standout features is the expandable design. By opening a hidden layer, the bottom widens to make space for a motorcycle helmet, whether it is a full-face or off-road helmet. Perfect for motorcycle riders on the go. Built with a 3D hard shell waterproof material, this backpack protects your belongings in all weather conditions, keeping them safe and dry. The ergonomic design includes adjustable straps, reflective patches for nighttime visibility, and foam padding for air ventilation, making it as comfortable as it is durable. Number 3. DIVOOM Pixoo M Backpack. The DIVOOM Pixoo M Backpack is a one-of-a-kind bag that combines style, creativity, and practicality. Equipped with a built-in 16 by 16 RGB LED panel, this backpack lets you display your pixel art creations in real time. Through the DIVOOM mobile application, you can draw custom designs, upload artwork, or choose from thousands of pre-made creations in the community gallery. The application is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and connects you to over 1,000 pixel art enthusiasts. You can browse through more than 10,000 designs or share your own artwork with the community. This backpack is not only visually striking but also highly functional. It features a dedicated compartment that accommodates laptops up to 13 inches, as well as a spacious main compartment for your everyday essentials. Additionally, there are 4 hidden pockets to keep your belongings organized and secure. Whether you are traveling, working, or going on a day trip, the DIVOOM Pixoo M backpack is the perfect companion. Made from durable polyester fiber, this backpack is lightweight, weighing only 2.47 pounds. Its compact design, measuring 13.76 inches by 10.1 inches, makes it easy to carry and travel-friendly. Powered by a 10,000 mAh power bank, it provides up to 6 hours of continuous pixel art display. With a resolution of 16 by 16 and 320 pixels, the LED panel offers vibrant and eye-catching designs. The DIVOOM Pixoo M backpack is the perfect blend of creativity and functionality. Number 2. Sacamain Riding Helmet LED Backpack. The Sacamain Riding Helmet LED backpack is not just a backpack, it is a statement piece designed for young urban riders. Combining trendiness, innovation, and functionality, this backpack is perfect for those who want to stand out. Starting with its capacity, the expanded structure ensures that you can easily carry a full-size motorcycle helmet along with all your other essentials. No more struggling to find space for your gear, the Sacamain LED backpack has you covered. What sets this backpack apart is its ability to let you express yourself through a range of display modes. You can choose from scrolling text, custom graffiti, or even rhythm mode that syncs to your favorite music. This backpack also allows you to play 10-second videos or project your screen in real time, making it perfect for sharing messages or showcasing your creativity. Built for urban life, the backpack is made from durable, waterproof Oxford fabric with a leather film finish. This ensures that your gear stays safe even in light rain, making it tough, stylish, and perfect for all types of travel. The backpack's cutting-edge LED features and expandable storage mean you're always ready for your next adventure. The Sacamain Riding Helmet LED backpack is designed for the bold. It's not just about carrying your gear, it's about expressing your personality and staying connected while on the move. Number 1. Flyleaf LED Waterproof Backpack. The Flyleaf LED Waterproof Backpack is a revolutionary combination of style, innovation, and practicality. This backpack allows you to express your creativity with a fully customizable LED display. Whether you want to showcase eye-catching text, unique patterns, stunning pictures, or fun gifts, the Flyleaf backpack makes it all possible. Thanks to the dedicated mobile application, you can wirelessly control your designs from your smartphone, anytime and anywhere. This feature makes the backpack perfect for standing out in a crowd, or even as a cutting-edge marketing tool to promote your brand while on the go. Durability meets functionality with this backpack. Designed to withstand all weather conditions, the waterproof construction ensures your belongings remain safe and dry, even on rainy days. The Flyleaf backpack is not only stylish, but also engineered for ultimate comfort. Its adjustable S-shaped shoulder straps provide an ergonomic fit, while the honeycomb heat dissipation design makes carrying even the heaviest loads feel like a breeze. The backpack is equipped with a honeycomb cooling backpad and breathable backboard, promoting continuous airflow to keep moisture and heat at bay. Whether you're commuting, studying, or exploring, the Flyleaf LED waterproof backpack is built to complement your active lifestyle. It's more than just a bag, it's a statement piece that lets you carry innovation wherever you go. There you have it, the top 5 LED backpacks for 2025. Whether you're looking for practicality or a bold statement piece, these bags have got you covered.